just an update. I did have 4 of the bikes out, but now I only have 3. We're supposed to have a really heck of a thunderstorm here. So here's little Honda. The next one is a 2013 Zuma, and this is my 2010 CBR 600RR with a grand total of like 3,000 miles from new. I got a really good deal on this bike. A guy bought it for his wife, fixed it all up, put a whole bunch of fancy extras like these are really cool grips and brakes and everything. And I really love these lights back here. This is there's light bars right along the side here, and when you hit the turn signals, those blink. So now I just got insurance for these 2 bikes right here. The state has said that we got to have insurance. And I don't even know what this would cost to insure. Well, I've got 2 bikes insured, and I'm going to see what's going to happen. So this is our new house. As usual, just like all houses, everyone's got so much junk they can't get rid of any of it. I've got some nice trees, and we're right next to a rock star's house, and there's no one there. I don't know how they do that, if someone living there. Anyway, on the bike, I still have the 33mm Setco to put on, along with the big intake. And I'm going to get this running really good for this year. I just put on some really nice new mirrors, and I got these for really cheap, but they're just nice. And I've got to get them to fit down in here. But this is your voltmeter right here. That tells you how much volts you got. It's really important when you're driving. And it's a little button there. This little button here, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's the pump. Let's see if you can hear it. This one right here. So the bikes are all cleaned up. I got to put them away. My wife is extremely upset with me because I dared to wash my bikes and not do all of her housework she wanted me to do, which is fair enough. I mean, you know, wives they're great about a lot of things, but a lot of things they nag too fucking much. Can I get a hell yeah from all you married guys out there? All right. I've got to get to work. It's like 85 degrees. Look at that pipe. Thanks, Steve. Steve Van Treese. VT Cycles. Fast. 2 wheels on eBay. He's got the best parts in the world. I've got to get me another couple of these. Just because if they stop making them, which I've seen them do that, but if they stop making them, then I'll have a couple of spares. This is the best racing pipe I have ever used for 120cc. Not my bike, but I mean other bikes I've heard that they're like that. Okay, I may post this. So we're doing okay. All right. This is all my friends out there in Dio land. This is Captain Dio. Rock on.